Hey guys, what's up? It's the Crafting Gamers, and today we are back with another game that is known as Big Craft New Crafty Game 2020. Unfortunately, it's not in the Play Store, but I have posted a link in the description so that you can install and have fun in this game yourselves. So, this is an awesome and epic Minecraft copy, guys. As you can see, we have got all these villagers as of 1.14, and you might have seen this clip. Oh yeah, bees. We have bees in this free game, guys. It's awesome and epic. So let's see if we can just trade with this guy right here. Oop, nope. Let's just try him, shall we? Yep. So yeah, guys, this is just so epic. We can trade with villagers, we can play with bees, we saw foxes. We are getting literally the 1.15 update in Minecraft for free, guys. So just remember, this is Bigcraft New Crafting Game 2020, and you can download it from the description of this video. Just don't forget to do these things, and leave a like to my video. A sub would be massively appreciated, and if you like this game, let me know down in the comment section so that I can consider making more videos and also starting a new survival series. Let's just check out the creative inventory. So yeah, this is very cool, guys. Oh my god, this is so epic. So we have got the crafting bench and the armor dispensaries, and this is full zoom in. We got all the stuff as of 1.15. So yep, we have got bees, and I think yep, this is foxes. Oh yeah, and we have whatnot. We can also summon the wither and ender dragon, I suppose, in this game, because this game is literally the latest version. But I don't know whether we have piglins in this game. Piglin. Nope, we don't have piglins in this game, but so far so good. This is actually looking so decent. And given the fact that we actually have literally the marketplace itself so that we can get new exciting content. This is just actually a cool Minecraft copy, isn't it? So the next thing we are gonna confirm is it really Big Craft? Because in most Minecraft copies the Minecraft logo is cut off, and in this case it is no difference. The Minecraft logo is literally rubbed off. Yep, it's masked, so it's really no clickbait. This is a Minecraft copy, and this is the epic Minecraft copy of all time. Alright, so what shall we do next? We have got all the updates in this game. We have got the new mobs. We just don't have the piglins, but they aren't available in this version of in this copy version of Minecraft. This is known as Big Craft. So let's just check out the other things. So we have got this stuff. We don't have netherite, so that just confirms that 1.16 hasn't arrived in this copy. We have got all the stuff. No texture change either. They haven't even bothered to change the textures, but we can change the textures in this game, and I will show you how after that. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. I will, like, as I said before, upload many videos involving Bigcraft and other games which I am gonna introduce in the future. So leave a like, stay subbed, and it's goodbye from the Crafting Gamers. Goodbye.